A warm welcome to each and every one of you. My name is Manuel Ovo and I am the owner of this YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have this interesting idea I want to share with you guys. And I believe that and this is a conditional if you can make it work, you can turn this website to a gold mine to just print money on repeat. It's not the whole story, so please, I encourage you guys to see this video till the end, learn all you need to learn, and then go try it out. If it works for you, then please send me an email and let me know your testimonial. And that goes for each and every one of us, guys. Please, why I'm doing this is because it's a commitment that I have to share quality information that I'm using to make money on the internet to help myself, and because I know that the situation is tough. Look, I have been there and I know what it feels like, and that's why I'm doing this. So if my informations have helped you in one way or the other, please go to the about section. You'll find my email. Please send me an email. I want to get to know you in person, please. Thank you, guys. And lastly, I have a goal to get to 5,000 subscribers. I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you for the love. In the recent times, our contents have been getting quite some steam, and I really am grateful for this. If some is good, more is better. So please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification, so when I put out new content, you'll be the first to know. So for this video, I have one juicy idea that I believe if you can make it work, it can work for you. With that said, let's just head on straight to it. The website you want to get to is mtcgames.com. So please do not go first. Just let me walk you through. So MTC Games is pretty much a marketplace to get anything on games, gift cards, game cards, games, whatsoever. And so on and so forth. They are on Trustpilot. So if you don't know Trustpilot, Trustpilot is a platform where companies go to, legit companies, to get reviews, organic reviews, customers who have used their services, and they get a social verification so they can do business. So I'm just going to quickly check in if I'm logged in. Let me just sign into my account. A second here, guys. I have TBay. As you all know, TBay, our usual suspect, one of the platforms that I have used to make money the most in the gift card space, is open live. It's here as well. Let's just head back to MTC Games. The way it works is they sell gift cards, and if you have been following the currency conversation with Nigeria for a while now, you know that the CBN has restricted us from spending dollars using our Naira card. That is impossible now, except you have a domiciliary account or you're using any of these payment processors, which is sort of like a bottleneck, and that's not the case. We want the scenario whereby we can buy cards low and bring them to sites like eBay and sell for a profit. Yeah, so that said, when you come to the MTC game, it's the gift card section that you want. So for this analogy, I honestly don't know about this. I know for sure about this, and if you can make this work, my goodness, you are rich. Please let me know. I need to know you in person. So click into the Steam icon, and for all of the options here, I'm just going to lend you something brief from my experience. I have experience doing this for a while now. Physical gift cards are traded at a different price to e-codes, and e-codes are what these guys sell. So e-codes, they are sold less than physical gift cards, but when you redeem it, the value is usually the same. I don't know why that is. It's the rule of the game, so I guess we'll have to stick with it. So I just clicked into. Now, one of the first thing you will notice is the MTC Steam US card expire. It has a 3-year period of expiry, so you could buy it now and hold for the next 2 years and still sell and still make your money because it's still going to be valid. And the other thing is, for a $10 card, the rate is at 4,800 and approximately 20 naira. So what this means is, if I add this to my cart now, which I just did, I will be spending 4,820 to get a $10 gift card. So if I head over just to TBay by default, I can sell off at TBay here for 590. So in between TBay and MTC, there is a profit margin of almost 100 naira. If this makes sense to you guys, why not give this video a like? Like I said before, it's conditional. There are still stuff we need to check out. So let me just go over to the checkout section. The video is going to be really straightforward to the point. If you can make this work, I will be so happy for you. Please send me a mail and let me know your thoughts. I'm doing this because there are people that they don't have enough to go by. You are the one that I'm doing this video for. And if you can make this work, I will be so happy for you, I promise. Okay, but if the restriction caught you on the wrong side, don't worry. I have some alternatives that you could try out, and just maybe the idea works. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, maybe we'll keep trying. So we'll go to cart. Now this is the point where you will have to celebrate. So if you're a Nigerian living abroad and you have access to an Amex card, American Express, or Diners Club, or Apple Pay, congratulations, because you're definitely going to be be in money. Definitely you have a Nigerian account, so which means you could actually still operate your Naira account even though you live outside of Nigeria. You just have to get money to your Amex card, American Express, Diners Club, Apple Pay, fund it and buy the card at the flat rate. So you buy low here and then you sell high for this 598. But like I said before, there's a disparity between physical cards and e-codes, so it might be probably 589 or 590. But in any case, you're still in profit, so that's like a win-win scenario. Now what this 2% means is 2% of 4,008, approximately 20 naira, will be added to 4,820 naira. So whatever be the 2% number, it will be added. But I'm going to bet you now that e-wallet and bank transfer, they are pretty much high. And this is where the problem is. This is why I could not have this done for myself yet. I'm still working on it. Boom, I told you. 72%. Now, this means 72% of 4,817 naira will be added to 4,817 naira. So that 72% might give us 3,468 naira point 34 kobo. I don't know, but let's check. E-wallet and bank transfer. The way the bank transfer works is an account will be generated for you. You send the money to that account and you have the code sent to your email. So you can see 72%. If I click into it, it's going to take me out to the checkout point, and like I told you guys, boom, 3,468 naira point 34 kobo added to your 4,817 naira point 14 kobo brings us to a total of 8,285 naira point 47 kobo. This is bad news. We don't want this, because if you do this, you cannot sell at a profit. You're losing money, and we don't want to lose money, right? We don't want to lose money. This is bad news. So here is what I think could be an appropriate approach to solving the problem. We don't want to use the e-wallet nor the bank transfer. Never. I, for one, like I said before, if you have this card and you want someone to partner with, reach out to me. Let's discuss. Or if you're living in the US or one of the countries outside there, I'm sure you could have your way to Amex or American Express or Diners Club or Apple Pay. If you have some way to, please let me know. I'll be interested to know. So find someone who you think has this card, partner with them at a percentage level. You want to take 40% or 60% or 50-50, whatever be the margin you want to share, that's up to you. And when they buy the card, they send to you. You head over here and then you sell it off and you make money. So how do you make the thousands? Listen, you just repeat. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what I think you can do. Find someone who has any of this card and then buy at the low rates. Buy at the low rate and sell at the high rate. So that's it. Thank you guys for your time. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, and I will see you again.